How to start selling your Canva templates tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will be showing you guys how you can create your own templates on Canva and start selling them to make a profit. So let's get into it. Now, if you go onto a platform like Etsy, a marketplace, any kind of marketplace, especially Etsy, it's super creative, a creative marketplace. It has a lot of things in under the category of Canva templates. So you have Instagram templates, Instagram branding posts, you have Pinterest templates, you also have Instagram post templates, you have different types of templates, you have the bundle logo price list business card. So you have business card templates, email marketing templates, vetting invitation templates, and you're going to actually get started with a template that you want to create. So for example, we take a look at the wedding invitation template. So this is selling for $5.95, and you can see this is like a very simple and basic template, and you can easily create this on Canva. So we're going to get started and we're going to create our own template, and you can take a look at the options available and customize them as you go. You can get some ideas and inspirations from the Etsy website as well to see what people are buying and to better customize your wedding invitation or whatever kind of template that you're looking to create. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go onto canva.com, and then you're going to choose the size for your template. So for example, I want to create this invitation in a specific size. So I have logged onto my Canva account over here. I'm going to click on custom size. I'm going to change this from pixels into inches, and I want maybe I want a 10 by 12. And now I'm just going to click on create new design, and this will open up a blank canvas of 10 by 12. So this is what the canvas is looking like, and I'm just going to zoom in a bit on the canvas so we can better work on it. Now, after that, I'm just going to select the canvas over here, and I'm going to add a base color. So I'm going to click on document colors on the top left over here, and I'm going to design like a pink kind of wedding invitation card. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the element section on the left over here, and then I can click on the element section and I can begin adding some designs. So I'm just going to actually search for bird. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a look at this over here, and I'm going to expand these like so. And I'm going to place them right at the center. These purple lines will help you in better organizing all of your illustrations. And then I'm going to change the color by clicking on the top left over here, and then I will change this into white instead. Or maybe I want more of a dense kind of bird look, so I'm going to click on the similar search results, and I'm just going to take a more dense version of the birds, and I'm just going to place it right at the top over here, or you can even expand it like so. So it totally depends on how you are looking to create your design, and you can just play around with a couple of different options in the element section as well to better help yourself get started. And I'm going to take this one and change the color to white, and then what I'm going to do, maybe I want to take like this one instead. So we're going to just rotate this like so slightly, and then I'm going to change the color to white. And then we have different recommendations as well. So we can just take some of these recommendation images, and I'm just going to place this right over here and change this to white as well. And then you can choose any other color as your complementary color as well. You don't have to go with white. I just think it looks good with the combination that I'm going for. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple of bird images over here, and I'm going to change it to white as well. And I'm just going to place this over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the element section. I'm going to click, first I'm going to click on text over here, and then I'm just going to scroll down, and you can use a font combination, or you can customize your own font over here by simply adding a basic heading. And then I'm just going to add the name over here. And then we're going to change the color to white as well. And then I'm going to scroll on the effect section. I'm going to click on splice, and then on the splice, I'm going to add the offset color of white as well. And then you can choose the thickness of the splice as well, like this. I'm going to go with this. And then I'm going to add the offset like so, and the direction of the offset of the text as well. So you can choose to offset it over here on the bottom or on the top as well. And then I'm just going to make sure everything is centered. And then I'm just going to actually go ahead and move these birds over here. I'm gonna rotate this one like that and move this over here and here like so, like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click on Control C and Control V, place this right at the bottom, and then I'm just going to change this into wedding invitation. And then I'm just going to resize this and place this above the names. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another heading text, and then I'm going to expand this once more. And then I'm going to add the venue and time and date like this, and I'm just going to place this right at the center bottom, and then I can click on effect. I can just make this hollow and choose the thickness, or you can go ahead with another splice effect. It totally depends on what you want to do. So I'm just gonna go with a lift effect maybe, yeah. And then I'm just going to do Control C and Control V, and then I'm going to add the time. And then you can also add the date down below. You can add that at the same column as well. Now I'm going to go back into the element section and add some more design elements like flowers. So I'm going to search for flowers, and I'm going to go into the graphics section. I'm just going to take a look at this little wreath over here, and I'm going to expand it. So I'm just taking this wreath, and you can click on see all to see similar results as well. So you can take a little design like this one over here if you want to make it a bit more, pretty and, customized. So I'm just taking this design over here. I'm going to expand it like so, and I'm going to move the birds on top of the wreath, making sure that everything is centered. So I'm just going to place this over here, and now everything is right at where it should be, like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place the birds. I'm going to bring them to front, and then I'm going to place the birds over here like so. Rotate them a little to fit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the element section, and then you can add more stuff as well. So I'm going to go back with flowers, and I'm going to go into the graphics section, and I'm just going to add some flower borders to the corners of my of the wedding invite. So we're just going to add this over here like so. So you can add more flower corners or so on and so forth. Once you have developed your template, you're just going to click on share, and then you're going to click on template link over here, and then you're just going to copy your template link. Now you might be wondering, how do I sell this on Etsy? Whenever you are going to list this on Etsy, you can see you will have this page over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a thank you order, like a thank you for your order page, and then you're going to provide the link for the purchase over there. So you can click on custom size once more and go with a 10 by 12, however you want, and then you're just going to go into the text section. You can make this as simple or as complicated as you want, and then you can click on over here and you can add more text. So what you're going to do is you're going to add this basic text, which is click here to receive your customizable template. And then what you can do is you can add it on the text, or you can even click on the elements over here, and then you can click on lines and shapes. So we're just going to click on lines and shapes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on the shape. I'm just going to resize this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three dots, and you're going to click on your hyperlink. You're going to paste the link that you just added. So the link that you copied from your template over here, template link, you're going to paste it over here. And you can add more decor over here as well, or just add a few flowers to illustrate that this is the box that people are supposed to click when they want to receive their template. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.